This is prompt champs. Look at these. Every single one is AI, not a camera anywhere. So why does most of the AI you make look fake, plastic, obviously generated? It's not the tool, it's the words. Midjourney can shoot like a real camera, but only if you tell it to, and almost nobody does. These are 16 words and settings that flip an image from AI render to wait, that's not real? I'll show you the exact prompt and the exact result, side by side, every time. Number 16 first. Number 16, say photograph, not image. Start the prompt with the word that sets the intent. A candid photograph of, instead of a portrait of. That one word steers the whole render toward a camera and away from illustration. Change nothing else and the plastic sheen already drops. Number 15, name a real camera and lens. Add the gear, shot on Canon EOS R5, 50mm lens. Midjourney has seen millions of photos tagged with real bodies and glass, so naming them pulls from that pile instead of the digital art pile, and the flat, generated look gives way to the compression and fall-off a real lens gives. Number 14, open the aperture for bokeh. Add f1.8, shallow depth of field. The background melts into soft blur and the subject snaps forward. That separation is what a fast lens does and what a phone-flat AI image never has. It instantly reads as a real photograph. Number 13, pick a film stock. Add Kodak Portra 400 35mm film grain. Digital Perfect is an AI tell. Real photos have grain and a specific color science. Portra gives warm skin, Cinestill gives moody neon. The grain alone kills the too clean look. Number 12, set real light, not cinematic. Cinematic lighting is a vague word that gives you generic AI glow. Swap it for a real condition. Golden hour backlight, soft north-facing window light, overcast. Specific light casts specific, believable shadows. Number 11, demand skin texture. The number one AI tell is airbrushed, poreless skin. Fight it directly. Visible skin pores, fine wrinkles, freckles, peach fuzz, subsurface scattering. The face stops looking like wax and starts looking like a person. Number 10, put a catchlight in the eyes. AI eyes look dead because they have no light in them. Add catchlight in the eyes, detailed iris, slightly wet eyes. That tiny reflected highlight is the difference between a mannequin and someone who is alive. Number 9, make it candid, not posed. Perfectly posed and centered screams, generated. Add candid, caught mid-laugh, looking off camera, unposed. Real photos catch a moment. The slight awkwardness is exactly what sells it as unstaged. Number 8, ground it in weather and time. Add a real condition. Misty morning, harsh midday sun, blue hour after rain. Weather and time of day force consistent light, shadow, and mood across the whole frame. The physical logic AI usually fakes. Number 7, add tactile, imperfect detail. Small flaws read as real. Sweat on the brow, dust floating in the light, chipped nail polish, a loose thread. Perfection is the giveaway. One honest imperfection does more for realism than 10 ultra-detailed tags. Number 6, fake the capture, motion plus handheld. A frozen, too clean frame reads as CGI. Add slight motion blur, handheld, 1/125 shutter. A touch of blur and a slightly off angle mimic a real photographer catching a real moment instead of a rendered still. Number 5, grade the color in words. Oversaturated, hypervivid color is an AI fingerprint. Steer it, muted, desaturated filmic tones, natural color, instead of vibrant, hyperdetailed. Photographers grade down, telling Midjourney to do the same calms the fake pop. Number 4, turn off the beautify, style raw. By default, Midjourney prettifies everything. That gloss is the fake. Add the style raw setting and it renders more literally, closer to what you actually asked for. It's the single fastest switch from AI art to photo. Number 3, lower the stylize S50. The stylize value controls how much of Midjourney's house taste gets applied. High values push painterly illustration. Drop it to 50 or lower. The result gets plainer, more literal, more like a straight photograph. Number 2, negative prompt the giveaways. Tell it what to avoid with a negative prompt. No illustration, no 3D, no CGI, no render, no plastic skin, no cartoon. You're actively pushing the model away from the exact looks that scream artificial. It cleans up the last tells. Number 1, stack it all into one prompt. Here's the recipe every pro stacks. Start with your subject as a candid photograph. Add the camera and 50mm f1.8 Kodak Portra 400. Set real light. Add skin pores and a catchlight. Grade to muted filmic tones. Finish with style raw, stylize 50, and a negative prompt on CGI and plastic. That stack is the whole lesson, and it's just prompting. Which trick surprised you? Grab the 3 copy-paste prompts in the description, comment the photo you'll make first.